Let's start by setting up our environment for Python programming and data science. We'll use Python in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a popular tool for interactive computing and data analysis. To install Jupyter Notebook, we'll use Anaconda, a comprehensive distribution of Python designed for scientific computing. Anaconda includes many essential libraries pre-installed, including Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda is beginner-friendly and provides everything you need for data science, including Python, Jupyter Notebook, and over 7,500 packages for scientific computing. On the official website, anaconda.com, navigate to the Download section or go directly using this link. You can skip registration. Here you'll find options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your system. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions.